This tutorial is going to walk you through how to join a Zoom session. So when you get an invitation for a Zoom session, you most likely will see the whole Zoom invitation, or you might just see a single link. The individual link to join with video conferencing is under the Join Zoom Meeting title. So you can simply copy this link and paste it into a new tab if it's not clickable, and then it will open Zoom for you. If it's a blue link, then you can just click it and it will open automatically. Another way you can join a meeting is by copying the meeting ID, and if you are on a laptop or if you're using the Zoom app on an iPad, when you open Zoom, there is an option to join a meeting. If we click on join, you can put that meeting ID in and then click join to enter the meeting. It will ask you if you want to join with computer audio. You do. This is going to allow people to hear you. Once you have made it inside the Zoom meeting, there's a few important things to note. One important piece is your mute button. It's polite that when you enter a meeting that you click the mute so that nobody can hear you. It will let you know if you're muted and how to unmute your microphone. You want to keep it muted because Zoom picks up any sound it hears. So if there's a speaker is talking, the main speaker is talking, and you have background noise in your house, then it's going to keep switching to you and cut off the speaker. However, if you mute your microphone, it will not do that, and it will allow your meeting to move smoothly and allow you to hear. The other option is to stop your video. You can simply click the stop video to stop and come back on when you're ready. Finally, the last important piece is the chat. If you would like to send a chat to someone in your group or everyone in your group, you can toggle in between the two by using this everyone feature. So right now I can send a message out to everyone in my group. I can say hello, it is nice to see you all, and I can send it out. When others join, I can click that arrow and all the names of the people in my meeting will be there, and I can send the messages. So if I want to send my teacher a message that no one else can see, I can simply click on my teacher's name and say, I have a question, and then ask my question. And then they'll know what I'm curious about. To close that chat, I simply go up to the arrow at the top and hit close. When you're all done with the meeting and it's time for you to leave, you click End Meeting at the bottom and Leave Meeting.